Try to bring your front wheel right here. Okay. Yes. Now come right here. This way. Oh, oh, oh. Yes, turn. Now, turn. Don't let go of the steering wheel, but turn it the other way.
Sir?
Yeah, and now back up. No, but leave it turned. Do not worry about it. Back up slowly.
Right there?
A little bit more. Okay, now go forward. Yes, 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 no, yes. Good job, Liam. Come over here with me on the side. Just leave it there. Okay, go ahead and bring your wheel to right here. And now turn your wheel the other way. And now back up slowly. Make sure you don't fall off. Back up. Back up a little bit more. Okay, now turn it the other way. Bring your that front wheel, bring it to this dark mark if you can. Go ahead and back up a lot. Back up a lot. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Now. But don't turn that way yet. Bring this wheel up this line. To my finger. To my finger. Now turn it.
Sir?
Yeah. Okay. Not too much turn. But yeah, something like that. Good. Nice. Now, straighten out. Go straight. To right here. Yep. Okay, now turn your wheel to your left. Turn your wheel to your left. Okay, now go straight down, kind of. Straight to the rock, but see if you could back up at all.
Maybe.
I was thinking if one wheel comes off and then you turn that way towards you.
One wheel comes off?
Like if one wheel comes off like this, kinda, and then turn it towards you, and then give it some gas. Something like that, but your bumper's hitting. So, but I'm sure we could find a way.
Maybe medium.
I don't think the speed matters because your bumper is hitting.
Well, that was a fail.
Let's see. Let's see.
You should go up first.
You want me to go up on the other side?
I mean, that kind of worked.
Kinda?
Maybe if you go straight and turn this a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Go straight down. Turn this a little bit, maybe.
Oh, looks like the bumper's gonna hit, huh?
Take up those red things, maybe. They're kind of in the way.
Oh, you want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here you
Maybe
go.
one more time.
Back up.
Can't back up that far.
Well, maybe if by backing up, it'll just turn your body the way you want it to go.
Well, I know I can make it down. It's just that it's not going. Doesn't matter.
I could change the rock. I could move the rock around. Alright, I'm gonna stop this, okay? Do you want to move the rock around or no? You want me to leave it and try to do it with the Jeep?
Maybe the Jeep. Wait,
Alright.
maybe your skills would be...
Here, you want to hold this? Okay, come here. It's already recording. So, just go ahead and hold it like that. You can stay that far back if you want, or you can get close. Controller on first.
I'll get down here.
I took out the heavy battery and I put the light battery. Okay, here you go with the Jeep. Trying to do the same thing.
I mean, I can kind of see.
You don't need to see. Just keep the camera pointed that way, and we could watch it after. Okay? Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can.
Whoa. Look at my little chain's gonna fall off now. You see it?
Mhm.
You wanna go stand in front of it or do the side? I'll go right there from the side.
I have to get over here in a minute.
I really can't see the front. I'm not even paying attention. Because I think that, well, look at the front. Get it from the front. Come in. Now look at the Jeep right here. It keeps hitting that skid plate and sliding off. Whoa. Whoa. Almost went off, man. Oh, and I got the wide axles too. That's another issue.
I mean, it's kind of good recording, but it's okay. Kind of good. The side angle.
Oh my God, man.
Roll down, guys.
Alright, let's go. One more time?
Yep.
I'm about to turn it around again. Whoa. Let's get started sliding around. Whoa, Liam almost fell off right now. Okay, come on, come on. Look at that tire right here. Can you see the tire in the camera? In the camera.
Yeah.
Those front tires.
This side?
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Yeah, all that. Uh-oh. Looks like I'm stuck, guys.
And that's the...
There it went. Alright.
He fell.
Alright, well, Liam, you got farther than me on the course, huh?
I'm going to let you do it again. Give you one more chance.
One more chance?
Yep. Well, two more chances.
Turn the phone to the camera, please. Pay attention to that.
Oh, yeah. Over here so I can see.
You can watch it right here, yeah. Just so you can see it, right?
Hmm?
It starts to slide off, so.
Well, you might be gooder than me. Might, who knows?
It might be. be able to. I might be able to make it there on my last try, Liam.
No, you get 2 more after.
Okay, right here's where it might want to fall forward if I don't give it some gas. Okay, so. Okay, let's try the Jeep right here. Same thing, let's try it out.
Well, that was good.
See, I don't have a bumper on mine. I don't have a bumper on mine.
I do.
There we go.
I detonated it.
Because I don't have a bumper on. Your bumper was hitting. Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Here,
You
look at it.
got me good?
Yep.
Alright.
Watch it.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace.